Hello YouTube, welcome back to final update of the week for the trading room. Today we'll be discussing a performance of the week for the trading room as well as for today. So without wasting the time, let's get started quickly. As you can see, we have not given any trade setup or shown explained in Nifty because we were kind of sure of the direction, but we were not getting a good pinpoint for getting along in the trade in Nifty. When you come to the bank Nifty, this is the trade which we actually shown and given and explained. We were actually shooting for this target in this trade, not a like our kind of trade where we actually shoot for bigger targets, but a trade is a trade. A profitable trade is always appreciated, right? This actually came later in the day, that's why we actually settled here. Otherwise it's fine. But one more trade we actually went for buy was somewhere here in bank Nifty. When this actually broke this structure for the upside, somewhere here we gave one more trade setup for the buy direction, expecting this leg to go up, but eventually it came a little more down. Now pattern wise, nothing had changed in the structure. We were still looking for the upside, thus one more trade setup was given and explained here. So that was a bank Nifty. There were two trades there, and this is Reliance Capital. As you can see, this went in huge in our direction. Unfortunately, I don't know why, but this is a trade setup which I shown to one single particular trader who asked me about it. So this has not been given to everyone in the trading room, my bad, but yeah, part of the game. The two big trade which actually went in our favor, one is Yes Bank. We gave one sell call in this. There was a one target and trailing target. Other one is a Jindal Steel. So there was a one target there and second target somewhere there for the trailing purpose. So we took advantage of this entire leg today in our trading room. So total trade setups which has been explained, they were 7 today, and for the traders who are taking only single target, they were up by 9%, as you can see. So this is the update for today, and this is the update for the week for the single target. So the traders who are taking single target in our trading room, they are up by 25% in their account capital for this week, which is a very good returns from our perspective. Also guys, if you are also looking for trading room support, join our trading room. Our trading room is less than 100 rupees per day, where you can actually expect these kind of returns for single targets. So alright guys, this is the update for the trading room of the day and the week. I hope you also made good returns on your capital for this week. I wish you happy weekends with your friends and family, and I'll see you with another update. Thank you so much. Bye.